Hot dry noodles are always the first choice of breakfast for Wuhan people. Also, the Jianghu taste lasts for 100 years now. Jack and King's brings this missed hometown flavor to you and let you enjoy it anytime anywhere. One large box of noodles for 2 people, multiple ingredients for one authentic taste. Put the noodles into boiling water and cook on high heat for 5 minutes and medium heat for 2 minutes. Then, drain the noodles and put in a bowl. Add the sesame sauce pack, soy sauce pack, pickled cowpea pack and an appropriate amount of chili oil to the noodles. Stir them evenly and serve. Al dente noodles are wrapped by thick sesame sauce, with various types of essential ingredients. Stir and mix completely. A mouthful of smooth and delicious taste. Jack and King's, a taste of China anytime anywhere.